The yutong U12 is a shining example of modern electric bus innovation, designed to offer a blend of sustainability, efficiency, and passenger comfort. As cities worldwide move toward greener public transportation solutions, the U12 stands out as a vehicle that perfectly balances environmental responsibility with state-of-the-art technology. Built with a sleek, contemporary design, the U12's smooth lines and aerodynamic shape aren't just for aesthetics. They contribute to improved energy efficiency, reducing wind resistance, and extending the vehicle's range. It's a bus built to glide through urban landscapes, carrying passengers quietly and cleanly, without the emissions of traditional diesel-powered vehicles. One of the key highlights of the yutong U12 is its powerful electric drivetrain. It's equipped with a high-capacity battery that provides an impressive range on a single charge, making it an ideal choice for long daily routes in busy metropolitan areas. Charging is straightforward and efficient, with fast charging capabilities that minimize downtime and keep the bus on the road where it belongs. Passenger comfort is a priority in the U12's design. The bus features a spacious, low-floor interior, making it fully accessible to people with mobility challenges. Wide doors and an automatic ramp system make boarding easy for all passengers, while the large, panoramic windows create a bright and inviting atmosphere inside the cabin. The seating is ergonomically designed, providing comfort even on longer journeys, and the noise-free electric motor ensures a quieter ride, enhancing the overall travel experience. Technology plays a significant role in making the U12 a smart, connected vehicle. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems that enhance safety and ease of operation. Features like automatic emergency braking, collision warnings, and lane departure alerts help drivers navigate complex city streets with confidence. Meanwhile, an integrated fleet management system provides operators with real-time data on vehicle performance, energy consumption, and maintenance needs, helping to optimize operations and reduce costs over time. Beyond its technical capabilities, the yutong U12 represents a commitment to a sustainable future. By transitioning to electric buses like the U12, cities can significantly reduce their carbon footprint, cut air pollution, and contribute to healthier urban environments. Yutong, as a global leader in electric mobility, has poured decades of expertise into creating a vehicle that meets the evolving needs of modern transit systems while addressing the urgent need for cleaner transportation solutions. Ultimately, the yutong U12 is more than just a bus. It's a step toward a future where public transportation is both efficient and sustainable. It shows what's possible when innovation meets purpose, delivering a vehicle that enhances city life, protects the environment, and sets a new standard for electric mobility. Whether you're a transit operator looking for a reliable, future-ready fleet addition or a passenger hoping for a smoother, quieter commute, the U12 offers a glimpse of what the next generation of public transport can achieve.